So here we go guys, life in a world of extremes. So we have a different kind of cactus. Here we go. So yeah, and look at this. So cute. And there's one now, and this one. And look at this. Why they don't have a name? It's good they write names. So nataying ani sa Pinas guys. Kani may na akong kuan sa mudako dahil siya pag sa kuan. Kita itanong. Nata ko yung ani kasi baga katulad. Cute naman. Cactus nito. So beautiful. Kalachoche. So beautiful. Look at this. Look. Different kind of cactus guys. Meron ako niyan sa bahay. Tsaka yan. Mga maliliit lang sila. Tsaka yan. Ganahan lang dili sila. Sus, ako pang bubuan og tubig pero ni once a week de Cute. And sa ato aloe vera. Oh, this is so cute. Look, guys. Different kind of cactus. Look, this is so looks nice. So that's it guys. The cactus area.